Let's do another trader question. This has to do with prop trading. $142 away from profit target, and I blew up. Yeah, that happens. So this trader was within $142 of passing their evaluation in a prop firm account. Maybe it was $1,500, it was the profit target, or $3,000 or $6,000. They were $142 away. So that means they were so close that they got emotional and they screwed up. And they lost their trailing drawdown of $1,500 or $3,000. Think about that. $142 away, and you blow $1,500 or $3,000. That shows how emotional trading can be. So here's what I want you to do. When you are $142 away from passing your prop account, give yourself this challenge. Pass by trading one MES contract. Make it nearly impossible that you can't blow your account. It's much like a real marathon. You run 26 miles, you got the 0.2 left. Don't put on the gas and risk injury by trying to finish the race sooner. Scale down, dial it down. This is a walking marathon. And sometimes you have to purposely walk. Sometimes you have to purposely go, all right, I know that little gambler inside of me, and I need to scale down here. And this person knew exactly what they should have done. Should have switched to micros. That's absolutely correct. And when you pass your funded account, or your evaluation, and you get a funded account, do the same thing at the beginning. Only trade one or two MES contracts and allow you to build your equity in that account without going crazy. It's really hard to blow these trading accounts if you're trading one or two MES points. It's still possible, but it's harder. Okay, so there's my advice. Have a great day.